can robots be a threat to jobs?
Robots can perform tasks that humans do, often faster and without needing breaks, which can lead to fewer jobs for humans in certain sectors.
What does Excel help you do?
Excel helps you organize data in tables, perform calculations, and create graphs.
What is the internet? How?
The Internet is a global network that connects millions of private, public, academic, business, and government networks, allowing them to share information.
How do you create an email account?
To create an email account, you visit an email service provider like Gmail, click on Create Account, and fill in the required details.
What is the importance of signing out of your email account, especially on public computers?
Signing out of your email account, especially on public computers, is important to protect your information from unauthorized access.
What does animation in PowerPoint refer to?
Animation in PowerPoint refers to the visual effects applied to pictures or text in a presentation.
What is a loop in computer programming?
A loop in computer programming is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeated until a certain condition is reached.
How do you ensure safety when using the internet?
To ensure safety when using the internet, avoid sharing personal information, use strong passwords, and do not click on suspicious links.
What is the purpose of having a glossary in a textbook?
The purpose of a glossary in a textbook is to provide definitions of key terms used in the text.
Can you name a project you could do in your computer class?
One project could be creating a simple presentation about a favorite hobby or interest using PowerPoint.